Welcome to this tutorial on installing PyCharm. To begin, head over to jetbrains.com/PyCharm and click on the Download Now button. Here we'll download PyCharm's Community Edition. Once PyCharm has finished downloading, click the installer to begin installation of PyCharm on your machine. With installation complete, open PyCharm by double-clicking the PyCharm icon on your desktop. Let's now configure PyCharm by selecting the Configure button and heading down to Settings. From here, we'll link the Python interpreter installed via Anaconda with PyCharm. Verify that all the packages installed in Anaconda are now available in PyCharm and click Apply, then OK. With PyCharm configured, let's go ahead and create our first project. Here I name mine Test 1. Be sure to link the existing Python interpreter created in Anaconda to this project. With our new project created, let's now open a new Python script. This script serves as a test to confirm we can properly import packages using PyCharm. To execute the script, simply right-click and select Run. Finally, be sure to save the script to your project's folder.